What if I tell you now you can turn boring text blocks like this into attention-grabbing animations like this, and this in Canva? Yes, you heard it right. You can easily create all these animations without After Effects or any complicated editing software. And in this video, I'll show you how to master these 3 text animations in just 10 minutes using both Canva 2.0 and the old Canva video editor, so you can follow along without any issues. So let's start with the first text animation using Canva's old video editor. Now all you need to do is press T on your keyboard and you will instantly see a text box appear on your screen like this. Now you can obviously customize this text. For example, I'm typing here master text animations. And once you type your text, you can change its font, size, color, style, and format it the way you want. And you can also add any text effects from here. But for this animation, just skip the background text effect. But for this tutorial, I'm actually leaving the text as it is without adding any text effects or extra formatting. And after this, just hit R on your keyboard and it will add a rectangle on your timeline like this. Now you can adjust its size simply by dragging the edges like this. And from here, you can also change its color, round the corners, and even add borders to the shape. But for this tutorial, we don't need any borders because we are going to use this rectangle as a highlighter. Now, if you are using Canva's new video editor, you will notice something different. You will see the text and this rectangle as 2 separate layers on a blank timeline because Canva has now removed pages from the new video editor. So instead of pages, you now work with a blank timeline. And when you click on this plus icon, you will get options to upload your own media, add stock videos, stock photos, or simply create a blank timeline instead of a Canva page. And the best part is that you can freely move this timeline anywhere across your entire video project. There is no fixed duration restrictions anymore, just like we had with Canva pages in the old video editor. Now before we move into the animation part, there is one more important thing you need to do. You have to set this rectangle as the bottom layer of a design. And to do that, just press Option 1 on Mac and Alt 1 on Windows. And you will see all your layers together like this. And you can easily rearrange them by just dragging like this. Now if you notice, when I move this rectangle after rearranging the layers, it goes behind the text, not on top of it. And that's exactly what we want for this animation. So now that everything is set up, it's time to animate. Just select this rectangle, click Animate, and apply this wipe animation here. Now you can choose whether the animation plays on enter, on exit, or both. And if you select both, the animation will play when the text enters and again when it exits your screen. But I personally prefer on enter. And for this animation, you should also choose only on enter. And if you're a Canva premium user, then you also get extra control like adjusting the direction and speed of the animation. But for this animation, we just need this forward direction, which free users already get by default. So free users, you can definitely create your animations without any premium account. The only difference here will be you just can't control the speed. And honestly, that's not a problem at all. But for this tutorial, I'm adjusting the speed because I have access to this feature. But this is completely optional if you're a free user. Now, after applying this animation, the next thing you should do is adjust the timing of your elements. Now, let me tell you, if you're using Canva's new video editor, adjusting timing of your elements is super simple. You just need to drag the elements on the timeline like this to control when they appear on your screen. But in the old video editor, this process is slightly different, but not complicated. You'll just need to right-click on the element, select Show Timing, and then adjust the element's timing from here like this. And while adjusting element's timing, just make sure the text to appear first, and then the highlighter should come on screen. Now let's play it and see how it works. So that's how you can easily highlight your text in Canva. Now let me also show you how to add this exact same animation to paragraph text. And for that, just simply paste your text and adjust the font, alignment and position the way you want. Now just create the rectangle highlighter exactly the same way we did earlier by just pressing R on your keyboard. But here I'm just copy pasting the one I already created. Now select this rectangle and apply the same wipe animation to it. And after animating, just position it right behind the base text by rearranging layers from here. Like this. You can obviously zoom in to adjust it properly. And after this, you just need to adjust the timing of your paragraph text and the highlighter. And once you do that, let's play it and see how it works. It's working absolutely fine. And while highlighting your text, just make sure to use proper color contrast. For example, if your text is black, then use a light highlight color. And if your text is white or in any light color, then you should go with darker highlight colors. And the background color also matters. It should also contrast with your text. And now let's move on to second text animation. Just think of it as the level up version of the first animation we just created. But this time, the text color also changes while the highlight passes through it. And to save time, I'm using the same text and highlighter from the previous animation we just created. Now let me show you how to create this animation. Just start by duplicating the text. You can either click the plus icon or simply press D on your keyboard to duplicate any element in Canva. Now after duplicating, just change the text color of this duplicated text and place it directly on top of the original text. Zoom in and adjust it properly. It should be exactly on top of the original text. And one more important thing here, you need to apply the same animation to both the text and the rectangle or highlighter we created so the movement feels smooth and intentional. And to do this faster, just select the text and the rectangle together. Don't group them, just select both at the same time. Now click on animate and choose this wipe animation. Now notice something important. Because we selected both elements together, the same animation gets applied with the same speed to both the text and the rectangle. Now we could obviously group text and rectangle together and apply group animations from here. We didn't group them because grouping the text with a rectangle messes up with the text size and it doesn't match the original anymore. Now let me just play it and see how it works. As you can see, it's absolutely working fine. And you can also create the same kind of animation for paragraph text as well. So instead of duplicating the text, you will create a new text box by pressing T on your keyboard. Now copy the exact text you want to highlight from the paragraph and paste it into this new text box. And after doing this, right click on the original paragraph, click Copy Style, and then paste that style onto the new text box like this. Now this simple hack instantly copies the font, color and text effects so you don't have to recreate anything from scratch. And that was a pro tip. And after this, you just need to adjust the timing of your paragraph text, highlighted text and the highlighter. Now that simply means the paragraph text should come first and then the highlighter and the highlighted text should appear at the same time on screen. Now apply the same wipe animation to both of them with equal speed and the same direction. Simple. And that's how this animation looks when you apply it to the paragraph text. Now it's time for the third animation. Now here, to speed up this process, I'm using the same paragraph text again. But the remaining process is almost the same as before, except this time we are not creating a highlight box. Instead, we'll use a text effect. Yes, you heard it right. Just select the text you want to highlight. Just go to text effect, select the neon effect, and then apply the same wipe animation. Now adjust the text timing and your animation is created. Now let's play it and see how it works. There you go. And just like that, you can easily create these 3 cool text animations to level up your videos. Now you can export these clips and use them as B-roll while editing your videos in any video editor you want, especially if you don't want to edit your full video in Canva. And I'll see you in the next video.